Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Stay with us, guys. Today I'm gonna show you what we got. We ordered some tools, decided to spend a little bit money on tools. Some awesome things that you're going to need if you work on your vehicle. Stay with us and let's see what we got now. Okay, super excited about it. Okay, right here we got door panels, plastic trim panel removal tools. Okay, you can see right here with the metal clip removal tool as well. What I like about this one, okay, you can see you can even install this one right here. It comes with the bag. Okay. You can see it comes with everything inside. Everything is organized, and those things are made out of some kind of special nylon epoxy thing, so they're flexible, but they do not break like the cheap ones. And you know, we used to use the other ones, but we always lose them because they don't come in a bag. This one, you just get the bag, you get the tool you need, put it back together, and everything is organized. So that's something that I'll definitely recommend, guys. And this one is really good for clips and for door panels as well. Something that's really stuck because it's metal. It's you can put a little bit more on it. So that's one of them, guys. That's super excited about this one, and you have a place where you can install this one, so we don't lose that one as well. Also, you have the two hooks that you can just hang it on your wall. Okay, it's here with the tools. It's a big mess, guys. Since we moved, we haven't organized everything, but that's what it is. Okay, let's see what we got next. Bigger box, heavier now. Okay, that's something that we've been wanting for a long time. Okay, that's a brake caliper compressor kit, guys. As you know, we used to do it with the screwdriver every time, compress the pistons, which is not very convenient. And this one, guys, right here, okay, you can see we got the whole kit. This one, I think it's a 21 piece or something like that, it's considered. And this one you can do front brake pads, rear brake pads, the one that you can that you need to turn clockwise or counterclockwise. It's super nice too. Very inexpensive for what it is. I couldn't believe the price, that's why I bought it. Finally to have one. We'll have a video how to use it as well on the channels, and when we do brakes and stuff, we'll be installing new brake pads and rollers on the Beamer here as well. So that's the second one. Stay with us to see what else we got. More things. Screwdrivers, guys. How many of you lose your screwdrivers? Okay, because they don't have a rack, and you just put them in different places every time, and you finally lose it, forget where you left it and stuff like that. We got tired of that. We have so many screwdrivers just hanging here and there, and we decided to invest in something else this time. So okay, let's see now. Let's see what we got here. I'm gonna show you. And this one is super inexpensive price. I just couldn't believe it, to be honest with you. The price on this one for what you get. Okay, it's a 39 piece pack. Okay, and it comes with the rack, guys. You can see it stays like that. You can actually nail the rack to the wall as well, and you can have it installed on the wall, which is really convenient. You can see it comes with a Phillips screwdriver, another Phillips, bigger Phillips, longer, and you should have 3 flathead ones, different sizes as well. Okay, and let's see what we got here. Phillips, small, flathead, little. Okay, and then you have the different Torx screwdrivers, something that I always wanted, because nowadays, you know, many vehicles use the Torx bolts, so that's something really convenient. Okay, and then you have the middle one. The middle one is for all the different bits right here. You can see how many different bits you have and all the different things you can do. Also, this one right here, guys, comes with the magnetizer and demagnetizer too. Okay, you can see. So you can actually magnetize, you know how the screwdrivers get wore out after a while. So as a result, they don't catch the screw or bolt or something. Okay, you can magnetize them or demagnetize them, whatever you want to, depending on the job. So that's something that really got my attention. Definitely a good investment. You can see that's how those those tools here, that's how you open them. You don't remove them. we're not used to that being so fancy, to be honest with you. But you can see you just open them like that. Super convenient. Everything stays there in the way. Everything is really tight because it hasn't been removed out of there. Okay, but you can see you have the 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 millimeter little sockets as well. Last thing out of the box, guys, I used to have those bulky phone holders for the cars and finally decided to get something a little bit newer style. Okay, let's see what this one is now. Okay, this one is supposed to be a magnet phone holder for the dash vent of the vehicle. It's supposed to be really good. It had really good reviews online. People say that it's really good. Let me know if you know of another good thing, because I always look into buying something like that. And what you do, okay, you're going to place this one on the back of your phone. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Okay, it has a 360 swivel head right here, and it catches your phone really good. So let's try to see how that's gonna work now. Alright guys, and you can see the double tape is made by 3M, so that's a good thing. The 3M is always have good products. We always work with them. The video is not sponsored or anything like that. One more time, everything is purchased by us, guys. So what I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to clean the area where I'm going to apply the thing with the wet wipe, and then all we need to do is get the dry wipe and wipe it again, and we'll be ready to install it. Okay, this one is too small for my fingers. Okay, perfect. So now you gotta make sure it's dry out. No dust at all. Okay, and now we will need to remove the double tape thing, and those are always hard to start. Okay, like that. So I want to make it okay like that. Okay, that right here will look okay, I think. And you can actually install your case on top of it, and it's supposed to work with the case. Okay, I want to see how good that thing is. You can see, guys, that's how good it is. It holds it really good. I'm gonna put it in the dash vent quick to see how it works. Stay with us. Okay guys, so this is made out of rubber, so it's supposed to not come out of the vent. Just always be careful not to break a vent or something, okay, when you're installing those. Okay, and I have the phone like that. Okay, it works really good. You can install it here. Works on most of the vents, so definitely, guys, I definitely think it's a pretty cool product. So very inexpensive at all, and it's not that bulky thing that's in the way of the window, so I think it's good. So that's for today, guys. You can actually install it on the side ones too, I think, right here. Okay, let's see if we can do something like that. Okay, with the swivel head we'll need to turn it to the right. Okay, let's see if it's, oh yeah, it even works right here. Look at that thing, perfect. So pretty stable, guys. So thank you guys for. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.